Adaptivities every day. Adaptivities, adapt and play. You can play with a friend, so much fun till the end. So come, let's start today. Adaptivities, adaptivities, adaptivities.
Welcome to Madeline Monday, and today's a very different episode, to say the least. They were doing MTV Cribs! Kiana promises, and she's not going to be here for this. So, Richie is directing this, so I can't say any bad words, which, oh man. Alright, follow me. This is the door. I'm sorry, I just had to show you the door. Look at this painting. Look at this. Also, I have a rule. Rules. No food, no brother, yes dog, no cat, no mom and dad without my permission. Well, I let my brother in. I still am in. Also, I can't. Okay, now the door's open. Welcome to the crib! As you can see, this is what I like to call stuffed animal. This is the suburbs of stuffed animals, or the town-like area. That's the city of stuffed animals. That's the city area. That's Pokemon Ranch. It's where all my stuffed Pokemon are. This is my desk. It's just a desk. I just do my work on it. Nothing interesting. This is a drawer. Also nothing interesting on the CD player. And here is my closet. There's my Legos are in here. Also there's a giant bear in here. Probably should have mentioned that. But anyway, time for the main attractions. This is my jewelry box. Don't tell anyone. I have a Chewy. Don't tell anyone that. I have a Chewy. Yeah, I have a lot of nice jewelry. It's not actually the cat's. I didn't even really buy it, but don't steal. And back here, I have two crutches my mom gave these to me. Up here is my belt rack. Oh, and the main attraction, my bed. It's not really the main attraction, but it's more attractive. But still, okay. So back in my old school, I needed a special quiet corner because I was emotionally unregulated. So I got it. I had a blanket and I had this beanbag. When I changed schools, I didn't need a beanbag anymore because they had a quiet room there. So what I did was that we took the beanbag home along with the blanket, which is now in our basement. So yeah, that's it for MTV Cribs. See you next time on Adaptivities. Thanks for watching another episode of Madeline Monday. Please subscribe and tune in next week for a new episode.